We're solving problem 9 from the Amc 10A from 2017. Minnie rides on a flat road at 20 kilometers per hour, downhill at 30 kilometers per hour, and uphill at 5 kilometers per hour. Penny rides on a flat road at 30 kilometers per hour, downhill at 40 kilometers per hour, and uphill at 10 kilometers per hour. Minnie goes from town A to B, a distance of 10 kilometers all uphill, then from town B to C, a distance of 15 kilometers all downhill, and then back to town A, a distance of 20 kilometers on the flat. Penny goes the other way around, using the same route. How many more minutes does it take Minnie to complete the 45-minute ride than it takes Penny? So, this just helps me visualize it. But A, this is town A, and goes to B, uphill. And then this is 10 kilometers. And then B goes to C, 15 kilometers. And then C goes back to A. And this is 20 kilometers. And so Minnie goes this way and Penny goes the other way. But it doesn't really matter what way they go, because in the end, they're going the same route in a circle. It doesn't matter, but yeah, so let's just account for P for Penny and M for Minnie. Alright, let's start with Minnie, yeah. So, they go from town A to B, 10 kilometers uphill, so A to B. And time is, since distance is rate times time, time is distance over rate. So distance is 10 over Minnie's rate uphill, which is 5. So this is 2 hours. And then B to C. Same thing, distance over rate. This distance is 15 over our downhill rate, which is 30, yes. So this is 1/2 of an hour, or 30 minutes. And then C to A. This is 20 kilometers on the flat. So 20, and then, 20. So this is just 1 hour. And this, adding it up, and these are our times, and now we can solve for Penny's times. Okay, so Penny goes the other way around. That means goes to A to C, C to B, and B to A. So A to C. This is 20 over her flat rate, which is 30. This is 2/3 of an hour, or 40 minutes. Okay. C to B. This is 15 kilometers uphill, so her rate for that is 10. So this is 1.5 hours, or 90 minutes. But 1.5 hours will do. And then from B to A. This distance is 10 kilometers over her downhill speed is 40. This is 1/4 of an hour, or 15 minutes. So we get that we can add up these times. So this is 1.5 hours is 90 minutes, or 1 hour and 30 minutes. So 1 hour, 30 minutes plus 15 plus 40 minutes, which is 55 minutes. This is gonna be 5. So in the end, I don't want to add that, but basically the idea is to add these times up and then add the faster times up and then subtract them to get 65. That's our answer.